Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see floating regions in Cura Slicer. So basically what you'll need to do is slice your model. What you can do is basically by clicking right here on slice button, and after that what you'll need to do is go to the preview, and right here if you go under this model, or you can choose this on view and clicking by orthographic view, you'll basically be able to go around and see your 3D model. And basically where you see red, it means it is floating. So you'll need to add some supports or something like that. So that's how you find your floating regions in Cura Slicer. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.